This is Dansoy again, bringing you food suggestion number 2. Here's another OatMega cookie. It has 13 grams of protein and it's good with omega-3s. I love this product. This is the peanut butter one. Let me open it. Yeah, we're back with the cookie. It's open and really good quality. It's peanut butter and it just breaks open easily. But that's from OatMega cookie. It's really good. Food suggestion. I'll be bringing many more. I don't get paid by these vendors or anything. I don't really promote their product. I just taste different things for both of us. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you can get like 4 updates a week. God bless. Peace out.